Chapter 5, Lesson 3, Solving Multi-Step Inequalities. Okay, so what to watch out for? You need to make sure that you watch out for dividing and multiplying by negatives when we need to switch the sign. Because now we're going to have more steps, and so within those steps, anytime we multiply or divide both sides by negatives, you have to make sure that you switch the sign. You might even do it twice in a problem. Alright, so an example, negative 11y minus 13 is greater than 42. So just like an equation, I'm going to add 13 to both sides. Negative 11y is greater than 55. Divide by negative 11, and right when I say that, I'm going to switch my sign. Some of you said maybe even circle it. That tells you down here it needs to look different. Y is less than negative 5. I'm going to graph my answer, negative 5, open circle, and it's anything less, so to the left. Okay, now we have a long one. So I'm going to first distribute. So 12m minus 20 plus 7 is greater than or equal to 8m plus 3. I'm going to combine my like terms over here, 12m. Don't forget, it's like negative 20 and positive 7 minus 13, forgot my m, is greater than or equal to 8m plus 3. Then I'm going to get those m's on the same side, minus 8m. So 4m minus 13 is greater than or equal to 3, plus 13. 4m is greater than or equal to 26. Divide by 4, and m is greater than or equal to 4 doesn't go into 26 evenly, but it goes in there 6 times, and then 2 left over, so 2/4 or 1/2. And then I graph my answer, 6.5. I have a closed circle and an arrow to the right, because m is greater than. Now sometimes we have special solutions, and just like in our equations, sometimes the variables all cancel out. And when they do, then we need to ask ourselves that same question that we ask ourselves in equations. Can you remember it? Is this true? And so we're going to look at what we have left over and we're going to ask ourselves, is this true? If it is true, then that means that the answer is all solutions. That's our answer. Or sometimes we say infinite solutions or many solutions. But basically it means that your variable could be anything. If it is not true or false, then the answer is no solution. It means that there's nothing that that variable can be that would make it true. Let's look at some examples. So again, I'm going to distribute 9a. I'm distributing a negative 5, so minus 5a plus 25 is less than or equal to 4a minus 12. Combine my like terms, so 4a plus 25 is less than or equal to 4a minus 12, minus 4a minus 4a. 25 is less than or equal to negative 12. Then I ask myself, is that true? Is 25 less than or equal to negative 12? No, that's not true. So I'm going to write here, no solution. That means that nothing, if I substitute it in for that a, makes that inequality true. And last example, again, I'm going to distribute 12m plus 18 is less than or equal to 42 plus 12m minus 24. So 12m plus 18 is less than or equal to, I'm going to combine these like terms, so 42 minus 24 is 18 plus 12m minus 12m minus 12m. 18 is less than or equal to 18. Well, 18 is not less than 18, but this one also says that it can also be equal to. So since it can also be equal to, then I say, yes, that is true. And so this is all real numbers, or all solutions, or infinite solutions, or many solutions, anything you put like that.